Hello YouTube. Friendship sex, why it happens and how not to confuse it with falling in love. Friendship is non-sexual, while sex is intersex. What happens when these two phenomena meet? Read the article. Friendship strife. It is generally accepted that friendship between a man and a woman does not exist. And if we talk about such friendship, it means that one wants sexual relations, and the other enjoys attention, nothing more. At the same time, the other in a friendly couple refuses to have sex, but at the same time does not refuse friendship, involuntarily giving hope for what if. Something like this: I'm glad that I make you feel like that, but I can't reciprocate, so let's just be friends. The friendship partner, ignoring the but in the second part of the phrase, clings to the first and continues to hope for a possible intimacy. As a rule, if sex happens between such friends, then the friend interested in sex will either receive an impulse for something more, love, marriage, common children, and will insist and put pressure, or will be disappointed when he gets what he wanted. At each of the possible outcomes, such a friendship ends. Therefore, there is every reason to believe that friendship between a man and a woman, based on the sexual interest of one of them, cannot be considered friendship. Knowledgeable people argue that intersexual friendship still occurs, but only among spiritually rich people, if they really stop noticing primary sexual characteristics in each other. After all, are we humans or instinctive animals? Such friendship is based on completely different concepts: the unity of souls, community of views, spiritual closeness, true mutual trust and sincerity. But then where does sex come in, if sexual relations involve attraction and flirting, that is, intersexual games? What is friendly sex? Here is what one interviewee said about this: sex in such a relationship is a little different. Usually the first time this happens spontaneously and by chance, usually with a certain period of loneliness and abstinence, for various personal reasons, on both sides. There is no flirting here, and attraction it works just like an instinct, subconsciously. The first time everything is a little strange and vague, but then everything is quickly realized and perceived, since the relationship has already been and has developed before, and sex has become just an extra touch, an extra degree of trust, but has not changed these relationships in any way. That is, there was already mutual respect, trust and openness, so the sudden sex did not change the established friendships, but made them even closer and more trusting. It's like a secret that two people accidentally master. And this happens extremely rarely, like true friendship. More often, such relationships develop into banal love. There are special benefits to friendly sex. At the time of sex, you already have friendly relations, you know each other as flaky, you have nothing to hide from each other, so without unnecessary games you can start the process, bypassing the moment of grinding. In front of one beloved man you will not be as open and on the board as in front of a true friend. Therefore, such sex is characterized by a high degree of trust. A friend will not talk right and left about sex with you and about your weaknesses if you have a complex because of them. That's why he is a friend, to understand you and support you in everything. Friendly sex does not require fidelity, so there is no jealousy in such sex. You can immediately after sex share memories of your ex with each other, express your criticism, while meeting understanding, and all without offense. Friendly sex is not burdened by the love of one of the partners, therefore it really does not entail any obligations on either side. Finally, friendly sex perfectly helps out during periods of forced abstinence. How to distinguish friendly sex from sexual relations? You meet with a girlfriend when you both have time, and part easily, while living your life, not especially yearning for these meetings. If breaking up with your male friend is just as easy for you, then it was friendly sex. If you feel alone, it is something more. If your friend was lucky enough to arrange a personal life, and you calmly step aside and rejoice in his happiness, or it also happens if your personal life is arranged for you, then you just had friendly sex. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.